Chapter 14, Question 1. Beckett has no outstanding debt, total market value of 146,000, earning before interest and taxes of projected to be 14,000 if the economic conditions are normal, and basically giving us two more scenarios. One is a recession and one is an expansion, and says that considering to issue more debt, $58,000 worth at 7% interest. Proceeds will be used to repurchase shares of stock. Currently, 2,500 shares outstanding, meaning that the stockholders are holding 2,500 shares. Ignore taxes for this problem. Requirement A says, so take the three scenarios and try to find the earnings per share. Under the normal circumstances, we're going to take 14,000 less interest. We're not considering any interest at this point because we are not issuing any debt. So we take out the interest, so we're left with a net income of 14,000. Divide 2,500 shares into the 14,000, and it gives you earnings per share of $5.60 per share under normal circumstances. And you do the same math for the expansion and the recession. Requirement B says if the company undergoes the proposed recapitalization, it will repurchase. And so you go back in and take the whole 2,500 shares that are out there divided into what the market value is of all the shares, and you come up with a share price of $58.40. And so if you take that, divide 58,000, which is how much more debt that they plan on issuing, divide $58 into the 58,000, you come up with how many shares are they going to buy back from the 2,500. So if you take 2,500 shares and take out the 993 that they're going to buy back when they do the recapitalization, you're left with about 1,500 shares out there with the public. It goes down to say that interest payments are going to be it says in the problem, debt issue of 58,000 with a 7% interest rate. And so it gives you about $4,000 in interest in all three scenarios. And then you go back and do the same math as you did in A, and then come up with an earnings per share. And that's basically it. And on to the next problem.